I turned my YouTube channel into a money-making machine using AI tools, and the results will blow your mind. Creating YouTube videos can be exhausting and time-consuming. But what if I told you that AI can automate every single step of the process, from brainstorming ideas to editing, voiceovers, visuals, SEO, and publishing? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I automate my entire YouTube channel using free and affordable AI tools, step by step. If you've ever struggled to stay consistent or find time to make videos, this is for you. Normally, creating a video takes 6 major steps, from coming up with the idea, writing the script, generating the voiceover, creating visuals, editing the video, and finally optimizing and publishing it. Let's go through each one and I'll show you which AI tools I use for each stage. First, brainstorming video ideas. For that, I use VidIQ's Daily Ideas and Create features. VidIQ helps you find trending topics in your niche and even generates ideas based on what's already performing well on other channels. The Create feature goes a step further. It gives you a full plan for your video, including the title, description, thumbnail ideas, and even a basic script. It's like having your own YouTube strategist working for you 24/7. Next is writing the script. VidIQ's Create feature gives you a solid base, but is not always specific to your channel style. That's where ChatGPT comes in. I take the idea or draft from VidIQ and bring it into ChatGPT to refine it, adding structure, storytelling, and a tone that matches my audience. You can even ask ChatGPT to rewrite the script for shorts, long-form videos, or any style you want. If you prefer, you can also write manually using the outline from VidIQ, but using ChatGPT saves so much time. Now it's time for the voiceover. Once the script is ready, I use NotesGPT's voiceover feature to generate natural, human-sounding voices. There are other great options too, like PopPop.ai and FlexClip's built-in voice generator, and of course 11 Labs, which is known for its realistic voices. Pick the one that fits your channel's tone best. After the voiceover, we move to the visuals. Since I run a Faceless AI YouTube channel, visuals are everything. There are a few styles you can use. You can go for talking avatars created with tools like HeyGen AI, which are great for explainer videos, or you can use simple voice narration combined with B-roll clips, stock footage, and images. Another option is using stick or animated visuals. They're simple, fun, and work really well for tutorials. I'll make a separate video showing how to create these visuals in more detail. Next comes editing. I prefer FlexClip AI for editing because it's online-based and packed with features. FlexClip gives you a huge library of free B-rolls, templates, and stock media you can use instantly. You can record your screen, add transitions, background music, and text all in one place. It even has AI tools that generate music, images, and short clips automatically. You can literally edit an entire video from start to finish without downloading any software. And the best part, it's super beginner friendly. All the links to the tools I mentioned are in the description. Once your video is ready, the final step is SEO optimization and publishing. For that, I use a mix of VidIQ and TubeBuddy. VidIQ helps you optimize your title, description, and tags while recommending high-ranking keywords for your niche. One of my favorite new features is the AI thumbnail builder. It lets you generate thumbnails using other successful thumbnails as reference, which helps your video stand out and attract more clicks. VidIQ also lets you schedule your uploads, track performance, and monitor your growth all in one dashboard. And that's how I fully automate my YouTube channel using AI from idea to publishing. These tools save me hours every week and help me stay consistent without burning out. If you want to take your channel to the next level, start testing these tools today. You'll be surprised at how much easier YouTube becomes once you let AI do the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. And don't miss my next video where I'll show you how to create a talking AI avatar for your YouTube channel using free tools and a simple step-by-step process.